All right, guys, today we're going to be working on a 2012 Fiat 500. We're going to be changing out the struts on the liftgate. All right, so you might need to have a second person just hold your liftgate up if your strut is not holding pressure at all and it's just falling, or get yourself a piece of wood to prop it up to hold your liftgate up. But once you get it set and ready to go, all you want to do, you get a small flathead screwdriver. You're going to get behind right here, and then what you do is you just pry directly straight out, just like this. You can pop the clips directly off. It's not needed because the new ones come with it. And then you just pull straight out and it pops right off, just like that. The bottom one is exactly the same way. You're going to slide it in like that, and then all you want to do is you're just going to lift it off and pull this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So what you're doing is just getting under that tab and lifting up. And these are actually, I've used them before. They're actually pretty good. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the bottom first, and then you're going to just push, and it locks on. So if you look at these, at the end piece here, the keeper that you took off on the other one, so the keeper that you took off on the other one, it's on there right now, but when you push it in, it's kind of hard to see it, but when you push it in, it just opens and closes right around the ball up here. So in the ball, what I'm talking about is right there. So that is the piece that you're going to go around right here. So you're going to go around that. And then if the connector is not in the right direction, what you want to do is you just want to take it and just turn. You can just turn the whole thing, just like that, until it's facing that direction. Okay, and if it doesn't line up, just push up on the liftgate and push it in place. See? And there you go. Now it's locked in. You're good to go on this side. Move to the other side.